Hello guys, welcome to Soft Asia. Are you looking to create a PowerPoint presentation on your WordPress site but not sure where to start? In this video, I will show you how to use your WordPress website to deliver PowerPoint type presentation. First, Google and search WordPress. Open WordPress.org website. Click on plugins and search slides and presentations. Download this plugin and go back to your website. From plugins, click on add new. Go to upload plugin, drag and drop this zip file and install now. This file is installing. After installation, click on activate plugin. Upon activation, you need to go dashboard. Now, on the menu, you can see presentation section. Click on add new. Add title. Here you can add your presentation slides. First, this setup. Select the white screen. Here you can change the text color and size, and then background color. When you click on this color of slide will change. Change the font color to white and font family to red. Add your text. Under every slide you can see speaker notes, where you can add text to remember about presentation. Now to add another slide, click on plus icon and search slide. Add text here. Click on presentation section. Scroll down. Here you can add background image, but we are using color, so leave it. You can add custom CSS. From transition, select fade and speed slow. You can add set cover image. From the controls, you can select arrows and progress bar. Now publish the presentation and click on View Presentation. You can see your presentation appears here. You have two buttons on admin bar. By clicking on full screen, it will take you to full screen. By clicking on arrow, the next slide will appear. You can see also this white progress bar showing under your slide. That's how you can add slides in your WordPress site. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.